Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Dish Network on your PC. Dish Network provides satellite television. It is a subsidiary of EcoStar. To log in Dish Network on your PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.dish.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Dish Network. Now here you can see login to my dish option at top left corner. Click on login to my dish. Now here you'll be taken to the login page. Now to sign in, you need to first enter your username of your Dish account. After entering your username, enter your correct password. After that, if you want your username and password to be remembered, click on Remember Me box. If you are having problem signing in, then you can click on Having Trouble Signing In. Similarly, to create new username, click on Create Username. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign In. With that, you'll be logged into your Dish Network on your PC. This is how we can log in Dish Network on our PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.